Hey guys, this is Miss Gerke. I wanted to come on here. Unfortunately, I do have to cancel class tomorrow, Monday, January 24th. So if you see this before or after then, just know that there is actually no face-to-face class meeting Monday, January 24th. But no big deal. There are lots of things online to help you along. So let's kind of go over everything. So with all that in mind, let's take a look at our course schedule. If you ever miss class or have any issues, this is where you should go. Also, I always post course announcements. I post at least one every week with the tasks to complete for the week listed and hyperlinked, similar to how they are in the schedule. So let's take a look at our course schedule. We're here in week 2. So there's this great YouTube video, how to format your paper in MLA. We also have the DSC Writing Center has created a Prezi on MLA formatting. Also in the Norton Field Guide, which is the class text, we have the documentation section. That also is just covering MLA formatting essentially. So all three of those are what you should cover to make sure that you are formatting your paper correctly, that you are familiar with MLA. So you do want to make sure that you cover those things independently. This past week, on Sunday night, the 23rd, you should have submitted your writing diagnostic. Essentially, that was just one simple essay gauging where you're at with your writing. Well, over the next couple weeks, we will continue working with that same essay, that writing diagnostic essay, and developing it. We'll go over some steps to kind of gauge and see how well you are organizing and look at your use of rhetorical situation, look at your use of introductions and body paragraphs, and even formatting. Are you using MLA? So that is kind of what we'll be doing with that as we move forward. So look at this stuff, read the documentation section, and then the 2 assignments that you have for this week. And we'll meet on Wednesday, so we'll talk about them. But if you take a look, we have the thesis statement and outlining activity. So in here, I have created an outline example, but even more helpful is an outlining example video, very similar to how I'm talking over a video and showing you how to do stuff. So you do want to make sure that you read the outline example, watch the outlining example video. One of the reasons an outline is absolutely so important for the writing process is it helps us get organized. So hopefully by looking at outlining and how the thinking process works behind the outline, it might help you re-examine what you just turned in with your writing diagnostic question. Is my writing diagnostic essay, is the essay I just wrote, is it actually well organized? And so we'll practice that skill. We'll practice outlining here. I've given you 3 prompts, which is better, Walmart or Target, which is better, dogs or cats, and which is a better vacation, mountains or the beach. These are super simple essay topics. You do not have to write a full essay, but in this activity, you will create 3 outlines where you're just practicing the outlining skill. So watch the video first. That explains how to outline. Then you'll want to make sure you're formatting your paper in MLA, and then you'll create 3 outlines. And essentially, students who submit 3 outlines will get full credit. So three outlines responding to those prompts in MLA format, and that is how you do this assignment. So pretty straightforward. If it seems a little funky, shoot me an email or I can give you a call and explain things. But again, like I said, I will see you guys on Wednesday. Just had to cancel class Monday. And I believe this is due by Thursday, so that'll still give you some time to fix it up. And then your big assignment for this week, again, this one's only 10 points, so it's not a huge assignment, but writing diagnostic outline draft. So you wrote your writing diagnostic. Now we want to question, was it well organized? Should you have used an outline? So you can have 2 options. You can outline the essay that you already wrote, or by trying to outline the essay you already wrote, it may point out some weaknesses in that essay. So if you want to improve that by improving the outline that you're about to make, then do so. So you have your two topic essay options: marriage is no longer necessary, or the government should mandate healthy eating, whichever one you responded to. And you are going to either reverse outline the essay you wrote, or you're going to improve that organization and write the outline for the essay you wish you wrote. And that is due in MLA formatting to the submission box by Sunday night. So pretty simple week. And I hope I see you guys Wednesday. So again, if you guys have any questions on any of these things, just shoot me an email. But like I said, hopefully we'll continue to kind of practice this as I see you guys Wednesday. So have a great Monday, and I will miss you guys. And we will get to some outlining on Wednesday. Bye.